Hi everyone, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I'm Bharti and welcome to the last day of this pranayam challenge. Today we are going to do a everyday pranayam practice that you can incorporate in your daily routine. This is going to be both a energizing and a calming practice to help you feel refreshed. We'll be starting with deep abdominal breathing and then move on to more energizing practices like Kapalbhati and Bastika and end with calming practices like Nadi Shodhana and Bhramari Pranayama. So once you're ready, let's hop onto the mat and get going. Let's come into an easy cross-legged sitting position. You can sit on a cushion or a yoga block to help you sit a little bit taller. Ground the sit bones into your cushion or yoga mat. Lengthen the spine, roll the shoulders back. Let's bring one hand on the belly and one on the chest and start by taking a deep breath in and a long breath out. Again, inhale deeply, exhale slowly. With the next inhalation, send the breath into your belly, feeling the belly expanding out like a big balloon. As you exhale, the belly softens and comes back in. Again, inhale deeply, feeling the expansion in the belly. Exhale slowly, the belly comes back in. Once more, inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Now bring the other hand on the sides of the ribs. We are going to take a deep breath in, first feeling the expansion in the belly, and then inhale a bit more, feeling the ribs expand outwards in all the directions. As you exhale, the ribs come back in and the belly comes back in. Again, inhale deeply, feeling the expansion in the belly, followed by the ribs. Exhale slowly, the ribs come in, followed by the belly. Let's do a few more. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And relax and bring the hands down. Next, we are going to do Kapalbhati Pranayama. We are going to do 3 rounds with 20 pumps in each round. In Kapalbhati, as you know, every time we exhale forcefully, the belly goes in. Inhalation is automatic and passive. Let's bring both the hands in Chin Mudra on the knees, maintaining the length in the spine. Take a breath in and out to prepare. And start. And relax. Let's start round 2. Take a breath in and out. And relax. Let's start last round. Take a breath in and out to prepare. And start. And relax. Next, we are going to do Bhastrika Pranayama, or the bellows breath. We are going to bring both the hands on either sides of the ears. Every time we inhale, we are going to extend the arms up. Exhale, we are going to pull them down. Again, we are going to do 3 rounds with 20 pumps in each round. Let's take a breath in and out to prepare. And start. And relax and bring the hands down, taking a few normal breaths. Let's start round 2, bringing the hands up, taking a breath in and out to prepare. And start. And relax. Let's start last round, bringing the arms up, taking a breath in and out to prepare. And start. And relax and bring the hands down, taking a few normal breaths. Next, we are going to do Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, and we are going to do a ratio of 1:1:2:1 in Nadi Shodhana, which means we are going to inhale for a count of 4, hold the breath in for a count of 4, exhale for a count of 8, and hold the breath out for a count of 4. This retention of breath has an amazing effect on our lung capacity and improving the oxygenation within. So let's bring the left hand in Chin Mudra on the left knee, right hand in Nasagra Mudra, placing the index and the middle finger at the eyebrow center, closing the right nostril with the thumb. Take a deep breath in from the left side. Hold the breath in. Exhale right. Hold the breath out. Inhale right. hold, exhale left, hold. This was one round. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, 4, 3, 2, 1, exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, 4, 3, 2, 1, inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, 4, 3, 2, 1, exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, 4, 3, 2, 1, in, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, 4, 3, 2, 1, out, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, 4, 3, 2, 1, in, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, 4, 3, 2, 1, out, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue for 2 more rounds. Gently release and bring the right hand down and take a few normal breaths. We'll end with 5 rounds of Bhramari Pranayama. So let's bring both hands on either sides of the ears, bringing the hands in Shanmukhi Mudra, closing the ears with the thumbs, placing the index finger over the eyelids, middle finger just above the nostrils, ring and middle finger above and below the lips. We are going to take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale out, making a deep humming sound. Repeating 5 rounds. Inhale. Keeping your eyes closed, slowly bring the hands down. Taking a few normal breaths. We'll end the practice with an Om chant. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Slowly bring the hands together and let's start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Gently place the palms over the eyelids, feeling the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Slowly bring the hands down and open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this practice and the entire challenge. I'll see you with something new soon. Till then, take care, keep practicing, and bye-bye.